Norman can be dumb sometimes, and this is one of the best examples. This is a radar image from it's live, and as you can see, there's some storms in the north and some other scattered showers that are mostly in the western part of the state. But guess what? I turned my radio to WXK85, and guess what I hear?
A test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm tone feature is scheduled for 7 p.m. today. If your radio has the warning alarm tone and is set, it should be activated by the test. If your radio is not activated by the test, please call us at 405-325-3816 with your report.
Yes, they will still be testing, even though there is literally a flash flood warning for the Enid area. They've canceled their test because of a marginal risk that was covering like 5 counties in their area.
Due to the possibility of a significant weather event, the weekly test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm tone feature has been canceled. Norman Forecast Office, here is the forecast.
Very significant chances of severe weather. But they'll still do a test whenever there's, just non-severe storms and rain showers just scattered everywhere. And if you're wondering, this is our risk for severe weather. It's general.
A test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm tone feature is scheduled for 7 p.m. today. If your radio
Even Enid is testing, and they're under the flash flood warning. By the way, IEMBot has been going crazy as well. Look at all the significant weather advisories.
Tuesday night, mostly clear. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs around 90. This is your weather radio station WXK85 in Oklahoma City, operating on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. Programming originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Norman, Oklahoma. You're listening to Oklahoma City Weather Radio, and here are 6 p.m. weather updates.
Oh, it's trying to activate. Oh, fart. Come on, be quick.
We're in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado watches, and for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood warnings. The warning alarm will also be used for civil emergency messages. A test of the warning alarm feature of National Weather Service radio is conducted at 12 noon and 7 p.m. each Wednesday, unless there is a significant severe weather in the area. Office. This hazard surrounding partly sunny in the morning occurs at 6:20.
Well, I was happy to get it on 6 channels, which is the maximum I could get because channel 2 is somewhere else. I do find it dumb that Norman still tested with all these rain showers happening. One last thing, this must have had a combination of WXK85 and KJY94 because it went off for an unrecognized message. Ain't that wonderful?